paper, a paper punch, and a hot glue gun. Stay tuned.
Hi, Betzy Science here, and I want to tell you a little bit about Rinea. I love paper crafting, and Rinea foil paper makes it easier for me to complete my ideas and inspiration. Rinea has this type of paper that has two thin layers of colorful foil with a sheet of paper sandwiched in between them. The new unique paper makes it perfect for three-dimensional objects that are also perfect for die cutting or embossing. And today I'm going to show you a little bit of the technique with paper punches and creating a beautiful project for one of my friends. One of the special things about the Rinea paper is that it's paper, foil paper, but behaves like paper. I hope that makes sense. I can cut it so easy with this craft punch, with all the details of this butterfly, and then glue it and shape it the way that I want it, because it's foil, but at the same time paper. You had to try it to understand these details about this type of paper. It's something unique that you are gonna love how I emboss too. I cut all these butterflies, and some of the paper had double-sided colors, so the butterflies are going to have a great dimension and a great reflection over the mirror that I'm gonna use. Look how easy I'm able to cut all these butterflies, and then I can fold each one and the shape stays within how I want it, because the foil make it easy for me to even bend foil or attach to my project. Look at these details, and this is the same paper. The gloss variety of shades of blue, which is blue on one side and then gold at the other side, and the blues are different shades. So if you have a project that you want to accomplish in blue, this second color of sheet of paper is part of the Crafters Variety Pack. They are also double-sided foil paper, and it comes in the dimensions of 6 by 12 inches. You can also use it with your die cutting machine because it cuts easily. You can cut it with your Cricut, with your silhouette, and it's going to work. I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit faster so we can go ahead and use all these beautiful butterflies in the project that I am finishing today as a gift for a friend. I added a quote with vinyl to this mirror, and this is one of my favorite quotes, especially in the military life. Without change, there will be no butterflies. So here I am arranging all the butterflies by color, remembering the one that had two different colors to be able to make all the butterfly rainbow even bigger and better and prettier. You see the paper is so easy to bend and it keeps the shape. I just add a little bit of hot glue to the base of the butterfly and keep the wings bended up. When you add it to the mirror, the reflection is going to show another butterfly on the base of the mirror. The great part about this technique is that the mirror is going to make a reflection and create this effect, like a three-dimensional effect for the butterfly. On this part, I decided to use 3 butterflies and glue them together and use this one at the top of the vinyl sentiment, and I love how it looks. And here I am trying to avoid the reflection of the mirror, but it's almost impossible to be able to show you all the details and how beautiful this project looks thanks to the Rinea paper. I hope that you get inspired and keep watching more videos to come using embossing and die cutting machines and the perfect Rinea paper. Thank you. Happy crafting.